I'm more colorful than a week ago.
Keep that camera rolling. Put it around the corner.
There's still some green trees here.
But it's the pretty range. You got the green, yellow to orange.
Yeah. The colors are really late this year.
Yeah, that's what Peter was saying.
A year ago, this was all yellow.
With Dan and Nina?
Yeah.
This is all, I remember we just stood out here.
It's all just yellow, yeah.
I think Dan and I had a picture like right over there.
Yeah. Not next to those hearts, right?
Yeah.
I wish people didn't do that. I mean, look at this.
People stuff. If you die and go to heaven, it's what it's like year round. It's Colorado in fall.
Weather's perfect right now.
Yeah.
We'll have to stop and get some pictures on the way back.
Oh, let's just spend the rest of the day here. Look at that.
We can go as far as we want. Remember that one time we saw all those aspen trees?
Mm-hmm.
A little farther out.
You're gonna pick up every leaf you like. You're gonna have a whole bunch of leaves.
Look how pretty that is.
There you go. We need to find a way of putting that in your hair, like we did the little flowers in Hawaii.
Hawaii.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
You want to taste one?
No.
Sure. They look kind of good.
Random red berries.
Yeah. I mean, got to taste like Thai peppers. So 2 days ago we were walking in the snow, slipping on the ice, and now 48 hours later we're just hanging out in perfect, beautiful fall weather.
I think it's like 65 degrees.
65 is the high, yes. No humidity. How can you not like this?
I was cold at lunch. Oh.
Don't look at the camera and walk. Let this be a lesson to myself. And these brand new hiking boots I bought. Looks like fresh cut.
Yeah.
Must be a woodpecker, definitely a woodpecker. Or a marmot, right?
Yeah, marmot. That's right.
This is awesome, yeah. Can't wait. Can't wait to do this half a year long. Don't worry, I'm not gonna hit that boulder. Anyway, this is Sawmill trails heading south towards Goose Pasture Tarn, which is no longer a body of water, but a big mud pit because they're working on the dam. So no pictures there.
Yeah, going towards Blue River.
Going towards Blue River, right. On a nice wide trail.
Ah, we got a few pictures here last time.
Oh yeah, we did. You want some here?
Oh, we can do it on the way back.
No, how about we do it now? Okay, just took the pictures.
Oh.
Back on it. Okay, there's supposed to be, hopefully, this has been drought weather, so there is actually a pond up here. Hopefully it's not a mud pit. I think our pond might be dry. That's pretty sad.
Well, pretty much every body of water we've seen so far have been much lower.
I hope there weren't a bunch of fish living in there.
Oh yeah. Smells nice.
Yeah, it does. Oh man, that pond is dry.
Remember when we came here last time, it smelled really bad?
Yeah.
It smells really
It
nice.
smells good now.
Is that
Because the
because
pond's dry.
it smells much nicer?
Wonder what that pond was still full of. Was it sewage?
I don't know. It looked more like a, I don't know, wet swamp. Wow.
Well, the pond's dry, but there's chipmunks out here. Kind of fun. I say that's an acceptable replacement. We'll see.
Is that a Riker pose or Captain Morgan?
I don't know, one of them. I stand here on uneven ground, so it kind of naturally does it.
Alright, I'm gonna keep going or...
Well, I'm just enjoying myself, but yeah, we'll keep going.
Okay. No rush. They're fighting?
I think somebody's getting a warning that we're coming.
Yeah.
There you go. If you need to start a fire, this would be a good way.
Okay, Bear Grylls.
What?
Okay, Bear Grylls. Do I need to get some of this for vitamins?
Vitamins.
Vitamin C. You put that in hot water, and it will make a nice tea.
Yes,
For
get some
vitamin C.
vitamin.
Vitamins.
And don't forget, this is not a crevice. This is a crevasses.
Crevasses.
It is.
Don't fall down the crevasses.
Crevasses.
I think I need to send this video to Naropa. And see if these are accurately portrayed. And we have to constantly say, oh dear. Look at the golden brown.
Any leaves you want to pick up?
This is where, if there's a little bit of moisture, you're done. You're slipping down here.
Oh yeah. Like Ron at the end of the Ferrari.
Fabulous.
Fabulous.
Love everything about it.
Yeah, me too. Whoa!
Wow,
You okay?
yeah, it's just it's the leaves.
Sawmill.